Hey, it's Haiti, and I'm here with a video about a minimalist or quarantine entertainment option, which is the Rubik's Cube. So I have a series on this channel where I talk about different minimalist entertainment options, which don't necessarily require you to spend a lot of money on unnecessary clothing or shoes or any sort of consumeristic items. And to this video specifically, I added the quarantine part just because these are things that you can do during a quarantine too, that you could learn or teach yourself how to do, or in general just find a way to productively use your time. So before I talk about the benefits I found from you doing the Rubik's Cube, I thought I'd show you guys a bit of how I solve it, because some people might go onto this video and if they don't see me do it, they'll think I'm a fake. So the original footage I took of me doing the cube didn't actually show the cube part. It really just showed me looking down and the clicking sounds of the cube, but it didn't actually show the cube. So this is my second attempt at trying to show you the actual cube part of me solving it. So here we go. I've solved the bottom white and then the bottom 4 colors. Now I've solved the second row of colors. And I'll be done in just a few more moves. Some of the most obvious reasons for you to learn the Rubik's Cube is, one, it's just a good mental exercise. I like to do it when I wake up to kind of get my brain going, but also before I go to bed, just to see if I'm tired. If I just cannot do it, then I realized I'm tired. If I can do it, I probably am not tired enough, and I need to find a way to get myself a bit more tired. But it's also a pretty good way to show off to your friends. In all seriousness, I was able to learn how to do this through a YouTube video, and I could probably link it down below. I learned it within 2 days, and I still kind of get stuck with certain steps, but once I finally master it and I remember the steps, no matter what situation of the puzzle I have, I plan to learn different algorithms so that in a way I can finish it even quicker. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video about just a different entertainment option that you can do. If I can do it, you can do it. If you have any questions or want to know different ways of how you can entertain yourself while in quarantine, or just as a minimalist without having to consume as much, feel free to let me know, and I will see you in the next video.